Welcome to ClickMyProject.com. Now we are going to discuss about the project automatic detection of white blood cell cancer from bone marrow microscopic images using convolutional neural network. Now we are going to discuss about the abstract of the process. In the earlier cell detection process, the major challenge of robust brain tumor and nuclei cells detection is the handle significant variations in cell appearance and split touching cells. Hence, the affected cells having more drastically in the contrast level as well as the size of the cell will be changes. In this paper, we present an automatic cell detection framework using the sparse reconstruction and adaptive dictionary learning. By using this two technique, we can identify where the cell is affected, and then if the cell is affected, in the sense the affected cells will be separated. There are two major implementations present here is the sparse reconstruction based approach to split touching cells, whether the cells is splitted or not, and adaptive dictionary learning method is used to handle the appearance of the cell variance in case if the appearance of the cell will be variated from the normal cell, in the sense it will be detected, the features will be extracted. So after extracting the features, the classification will be classified to detect whether the cell is affected or not. Finally, the performance will be estimated to classify to justify whether the process is working fine or not by using the performance parameters like accuracy. Now we are going to discuss about the flow diagram of the process. This is the overall working flow of this project. This project consists the modules such as input image, pre-processing, segmentation, feature extraction, and finally classification and performance analysis. So at first, the input image is taken from the dataset. The dataset consists of various kinds of images which having both the normal cells as well as the affected cells. After taking any one image from the dataset, the pre-processing will be carried out. In these pre-processing steps, we have three kinds of steps will be there. First one is the resize, that is the image will be resized into an aspect ratio of row and column. Then the filtering is applied. Filtering is applied to remove the noises present in the image. In case if there is any noisy pixel is present in the image, it will be removed in the step of filtering. So after doing the filtering, the edge reductions will be carried out. In this edge reductions portions, the cell edges will be detected, then the features of the edge portions will be extracted. After doing the edge detections, the segmentation is carried out. In this segmentation portions, the affected portions will be segmented by means of the automatic or manual by means of the thresholding method. After doing the segmentation, the feature extraction is carried out. In this feature extraction, the CNN is applied. This is the kind of the deep learning method, that is the convolutional neural network. So after doing the feature extractions, those features will be undertaken to the classification step. In this classification steps, we are doing the machine learning algorithm by means of the support vector machine, that is SVM. So after doing the classification results will produce whether the input is normal or abnormal. In case of normal, it will shows the result as normal. In case of abnormal, it will shows the result as abnormal. After doing the classification everything, the performance analysis will be carried out in the last stage of the project. So in this performance estimations, we have three kinds of performance parameters like accuracy, sensitivity, and specificity. By means of these three parameters, we can justify our classification is efficient or not. Now we are going to discuss about the running procedure of the process. At first, open the Spider 3.7. After opening the Spider 3.7, we have to change the current directly like this. After doing this one, you have to open the main file.py. Now the code will be appears. Now you can click the run button. Once you click the run button, the tick enter message box will be open. In that, you can select the image from the dataset. After doing the selection of the image from the dataset, the process will be done one by one automatically. So after executing the everything, at first the input image is taken from the dataset. This is the original image we have taken from the dataset. So after taking the input image from the dataset, those image will be shown in this console window. Then the pre-processing will be carried out. In this pre-processing, the channel separation is done by converting the RGB image into a red, green, blue separately. This is the red channel image. This is the green channel image. You can see the difference between the red channel and the green channel. The pixel intensities will be changed for each and every channels, like red, green and blue channels, like this. After doing this one, the grayscale conversion is carried out. Resize also done. So in this, approximately the resize size is 224. That means the number of row will be the 224, number of column will be the 224. After doing the image resize, the feature extractions will be carried out. In this feature extraction, this is the image for feature extractions. Then CNN is applied. So convolutional neural network is applied here. This is the layers we have separated in the convolutional neural network. You can see the results of this convolutional neural network. This is the summary result of CNN. After doing the summarization of the convolutional neural network, everything, the features will be extracted. After doing the feature extractions, the classification results will be displayed like this. Whether the input is normal, in the sense the classification results will be displayed as normal. In case if the input is having the abnormal image, in the sense the classification image will be results will be shown as an abnormal. Here we have took one image, that is the abnormal cell image. So the classification result shows as an abnormal. Finally, the accuracy of the classification is displayed here. The accuracy is around 88.88%. So this is the overall results of the executions. Thanks for watching this video.